What up guys, Derek Soros of Photo Porto back for another quick video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Let's get to the video. Today we're gonna be talking about this awesome tool that I picked up for 20 bucks on Amazon. Right now it's about 30 to 40. I just got lucky at this Amazon sale thing that was happening in my hometown. If you are someone who films your social media content with an iPhone, this is a game changer. It is the Ulanzi. Yes, right here, this Ulanzi. These are cordless mics. So what you get here is this little case, Ulanzi case. You open it up like this, boom. What do you get? You get two microphones, and this you plug into the bottom of your cell phone to get to receive the information from the microphones. And this right here is such a game changer. So you could set up your phone somewhere and you could walk down, I think, if I remember correctly, you can walk this bad boy right here. You can be 20 meters away, 65 feet in distance, and still be catching the audio perfectly crisp. Now, it also helps in situations with like a fan buzzing in the background. Having the mic closer to you, you'll get a better sound and you won't hear that air conditioner in the background as much. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some tests and I'm gonna show you what this is capable of doing. But I'm telling you right now, this little case here itself is great because what it can do is, it is a charger. You plug it into the bottom. Once this case is completely charged, you could recharge your microphones up to 5 times before you have to recharge this, which is pretty freaking impressive. I am super happy with this. It's small, lightweight. I could keep it with me in my back pocket, and if I feel like I want to record something, boom, just break it out, plug it up, and I'm gonna guarantee that I have great audio. Sounding more professional, looking more professional. They're not huge or heavy, so that when you put it on your shirt, it pulls kind of down like you're seeing right now on this. You know, this one's a little bit heavier right here, so it pulls down on my shirt just a little bit. Nothing insane, but this right here, very light. Pull it out just like this. You got an on button right here on the side. Make sure it's on. There you go. And that's pretty much it. Slap it on your shirt like this, whichever way you want. If you want it like that, or you want it on the inside, not much of a difference there. Close to you. See how it doesn't even pull down my shirt compared to this right here. And you're gonna have some great sound, and it's gonna be awesome. This is something that'll just up the game. I know a lot of people that would prefer to watch a crappy video, really crappy quality, but as long as the sound is good, you got them. And that, to me, is another level of professionalism that you could bring to your iPhone videos. Okay, so this is a test right here. This is the sound straight off of the iPhone. I'm standing in front of an air conditioner, so you could hear that background sound quite a bit, I'm assuming. I'll stop talking so you can hear it. All right, so this green light right here shows that it's connected to the phone with the receiver in the bottom of the phone. Just put it on my shirt here. I'm gonna stand where I was before with the air conditioner behind me, and you could already hear what something like this can do to your videos. Sound-wise, it already sounds better, I am pretty sure. So once again, this is the sound without a microphone. All right, so we're outside, and I'm gonna show you the distance of what a sound could sound like with and without a microphone. See, so if I start backing up already, and I'm keeping the same volume of my voice, you can see how that is sounding, and that is getting bad. And I'm gonna keep talking at the same level so that you can understand. So come back in, and you see how my voice is changing the closer I get. So if you have no microphone, ideal is being about probably this far, is as far as you wanna be filming with an iPhone. Now let's plug in the mic and you'll see what that sounds like. So this is the sound coming off the Ulanzi mic. Now I'm at the same distance and I am not going to raise my voice whatsoever. I'm just going to back up and keep talking to you. Today it is really hot and I chose the wrong day to wear jeans. As you can see, I am sweating. My butt crack is sweaty. You do not want to know that or see that, but I am telling you anyway, because you could hear me clearly as I'm still walking away and the sound is still great. And that's what makes this a great tool to have for your iPhone. Now I heard that if you get to a certain distance and you turn around and it's not facing, it can maybe go off and on a little bit quicker. Now you gotta always keep that in mind. Now I'm still backing up. I don't know if the sound is there, I'm gonna be able to see it later, but I think that most probably it is. I don't know if I turn around if it's gonna mess up the sound or not, but I mean, this is the point of these microphones. You're so far away and the sound is still great. No raising your voice. This is how you make videos look professional. Now, right now, I have it just clipped to my shirt, but you could have this taped under your shirt and even more professional, not even look like you have a microphone, okay? But it seems like today it's a trend, a YouTube trend to show those big giant microphones. I don't really like it much. I like to put them away as much as possible. Right now, they're both out and visible for the sake of this video, but the point is, if you want to change your game, get a microphone like that. The Ulanzi. Don't sleep on this, guys. Great tool. Peace.